Hi, my name is Janette Avalos De Conte. I'm a real estate agent. I got my license in March 9th of 2019. Previously to being a realtor, I was working as a medical interpreter. And while working as a medical interpreter, I was engaging with the community a lot, specifically with the Hispanic community. I realized the need of a Spanish-speaking real estate agent that not only spoke their language, but that truly cared about them. I was super busy, I was super stressed out because I didn't know. Like, when am I gonna have time to study? When am I gonna have time to do this? So we have these resources like Real Estate Express that offers you all the education online. It's very user-friendly, so that was very good for me. Also, it's very self-explanatory as well. And then they also have like teachers online that if you have any questions, they can respond all of your answers. That was really helpful too. And you don't have to follow a schedule. You do it at your own pace, at your own time. Part that I love the most about real estate is that every day you learn something new. Every day. I really wake up every day, obviously very motivated to change someone's life. And at the same time, I'm learning through the process. I love the fact that it does not matter if you have been doing this for 6 months or you've been doing it for 5 years or 20 years or 50 years, you are always learning. I also feel that it's a career that fills in all the gaps, makes you feel like a true professional, and at the same time you are at service of people, so you're serving people, you're helping them. So it also gives you the feeling that you're doing something good for somebody. For everybody out there considering a career in real estate, I will say go for it. If you truly want to do this, I will tell you it's not easy, but it's definitely a career where you will feel like you're making the difference. I'm always out there in the community doing events, telling people the services that I offer. Why am I different, or what do I do different than other real estate agents? And that's how I've been getting my business. Last year, 2019, I closed 17 deals, and I really believe that is because people trust me. People know exactly who I am. They know that I'm gonna see their best interest. You also have to be very determined and know your big why. Why are you doing this? Why do I want to be a real estate agent? Know your motivation and don't give up. If you really want to do this, it's a great career. Go for it.